Thank you, Kelsey. Well, legal showdown. The state attorney general goes head-to-head with the Harford County sheriff, and the attorney general comes out on top. Now, the court case was about who had the right to investigate an officer-involved shooting over the weekend, where a citizen was shot and killed. WJZ Live right now. Avajoy Burnett has more on the attorney general's argument that the sheriff was withholding key evidence. Avajoy.
Hi, Denise. Well, state law says the Attorney General's office has the authority to step in and investigate anytime there's an officer-involved shooting. But here in Harford County, the sheriff himself believes his office also has a key role to play. While both sides made their arguments inside the courtroom today, and the judge disagreed with the sheriff.
We're very pleased with the court's decision. She ruled in our favor.
Attorney General Brian Frosch made an unusual move today and personally argued a case in front of a judge. The case was about an officer-involved shooting last Saturday in Harford County that left John Raymond Fowler dead. Because officers were involved, state law requires an independent unit from the Attorney General's office to investigate. But the Attorney General accused the Sheriff's Office of making their job harder by withholding key evidence like video, potential witness interviews, and 911 tapes. The AG said valuable time to review evidence was running out.
Witnesses' memories fade, they disappear. Sometimes they talk to each other, and consciously or subconsciously their view of what happened changes. And we need to be able to talk to the witnesses.
The law says when there's an officer-involved shooting, local police shall cooperate with investigators from the AG's office. Sheriff Gahler interpreted that as his department working hand-in-hand with the state. But the judge said it is a one-way cooperation, which means the local agencies are required to hand over all the material the AG wants.
It's a confusing matter, and I respect the judge's diligence in trying to review a bunch of confusing facts.
Sheriff Gahler's office has till midnight on Friday to hand over evidence the Attorney General is demanding as that office investigates an officer-involved shooting that left a 53-year-old dead.
The word cooperation means whatever the Attorney General says it means, one-sided. That's not the cooperation out of the dictionary, the word I understand, which requires two parties to work together to an end.
It's important to note that the judge said there's no evidence that the sheriff's office has mishandled any evidence that they have. Earlier today, Sheriff Jeff Gahler said they have already started to send over all of that information. Live at 4, Avajoy Burnett for WJZ.